In this video, I'm going to show you how to settle an order using the initial view. First, go to Recycling at the top and click Settlement in the flyout menu. Once you click Settlement, you'll be brought to the settlement page where you can view all the settlements that are in your system. Find the settlement that you're looking for. There's a couple different ways you can do it. You can either go into the customer field here and enter the customer. You can change the warehouse location. You can also set a date range. And once your filter is ready, click Apply, and then your view will adjust accordingly. You can also search for the order number by going into the search bar here at the top, typing in your order number, and filtering your search. So once you have the order that you're looking for, select the order. In this case, we're going to use inbound order 10367, and we're going to settle at the top. Once you click Settle, you'll be brought to the settlement page for that particular order. At the top, you have your primary details about the order, like the customer name, order number, type, whether it's inbound or outbound, contract, order date, warehouse that it's tied to, and the settled date. You also have a snapshot of all the weight that came through on this order, like the receive weight, tear weight, net weight, and then you have the receive date, the date in which you received it complete. Okay, so when I start settling the order, first thing I'm going to do is go to this section where it says View, and as you can see, we have different kinds of views on how to settle an order. So this demo is to show you how to settle on the initial view. So the purpose of initial view is, you see these lots here at the bottom. We have speaker, computers resale, and computer servers. So if I open this computers resale, that means that we sorted it at the sorting stage and broke computers resale down into two different lots, computer and wire ribbon cable. But if I want to settle this based on the commodity that I received it in against, I'm going to leave my view as initial. If I did a sort and settle, where I have an agreement with the customer and we're receiving in products and then we want to sort it and then pay based on the sort processed view, we can click processed. And as you can see, the data has changed. So I'm going to leave it as initial. I'm going to review my prices here. So the customer is going to get an invoice for these three line items: speaker, computers resale, and servers. And these are the prices that we're either paying or charging. If you need to change anything, you can change it here. If you have a contract tied to it, this information might auto-populate. You can also add a pricing template. So if you're under contract with a customer, you can use a pricing template from the contract and apply it here. Once all your information is correct and you have your amount owed at the top, and that's correct, click Settlement Complete. You'll be prompted with a question. The inbound order is being settled under the initial view. Do you wish to continue? Click Yes. And because the result was a amount owed, it automatically generated a purchase order. So I'm going to click OK. If you want to go to the purchase order that was created, you can click here. You can see that this order has now been settled under the initial view. And if I want to print an invoice, I go to the print download. So select settlement, and we're going to preview this. And as you can see from the preview, we settled based on the initial view. At the top right, you can see initial, and you can see the three corresponding lot IDs, 1509, 1510, 1508, and the commodities, computer resale, servers, and speakers. If we settled this under processed, it would show the sublots that we broke it down into. Thanks for watching how to settle an order based on the initial view. For more helpful videos, check out our YouTube channel, or you can always email us at support@RazorERP.com.